What's happening, everybody? All right, so this is going to be a ride along at the Spring Nationals, the NHRA Spring Nationals. It is crazy down here with these guys taking off. That's top, I think that's Top Alcohol Dragster running right there. So anyway, going to take you guys for a ride along. This will be real exciting. This is a national event, NHRA, here in Baytown, Texas. And here we go. What's funny is you think it'd just be another trip down the drag strip, but going up against my good buddy Chris. Wait for them to give us the signal. I think he got me. I think he got me. Idea what I ran. All I know is that we were right next to each other all the way down the drag strip. Really good race. Real good race. Thank you. You bitch! You bitch!
I can't believe it.
You red lighting fucker!
Dude, I saw the fucking yellow. I didn't even know I red lit. I made that whole pass thinking, dude, that's
Let's go park these things.
03 red.
Woo!
fucking race.
Dude, I'll tell you what though, the cars ran identical times.
Yeah.
So
You got a little higher mile per hour.
yeah.
Fucking hooked up.
Oh yeah, she hollered peace out and was gone, bro.
Fucking-
That's it.
03, 57, 52. Wow, the mile per hour is
Dude,
really
I
close.
cannot believe that.
Dude.
I got to the end going, fuck yeah, I fucking won. And then I looked at my time slip and I was like, what the fuck is that? I'm negative 03 my ass, motherfucker. I was on that line. I
Dude,
was like,
I'm like this. I'm just barely tipping toeing
oh,
you.
I was looking
Yeah.
and you were just right there. Right
Yeah.
there. Thanks. Thanks.
Fucking, we stayed with the 500.
Shit. Thanks a lot, man. Shit. $500 fucking dollars. Whatever. I said red lights don't count.
Well, it didn't
Oh
matter.
my gosh, I can't even fucking believe that.
Dude, I was filming it, and I don't know, I haven't looked at my video yet, but when I saw a red light, I went, oh, fuck. And the video probably was like, I was like, oh,
They got-
fuck.
If they show that, hopefully they do. They got sweet shots of the car.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
I saw the big boom
That's
camera
terrible.
come right down on the car.
He
Yeah.
was in your back
He
window.
was. Matter of fact, I was like, I gave him thumbs up when he came up. I
Oh,
was like,
nice. I
Yeah.
didn't see
Are
that.
you recording it? They got it tonight, tomorrow.
Yeah.
Like
Oh shit, I'm
5
still
Friday.
filming.
yeah, I'm recording.
Ah, my shit's still recording.
Yeah, well, that's